In the previous video, we have finished with all the three stages of decomposition, and we ended up with a signal flow graph something like this. First stage of decomposition, this is called as stage 1. This part is called as stage 2, and this part is called as stage 3. So if you observe, every stage has 4 butterflies, and all the butterfly patterns are similar, right? So if you see, this is a 2-point DFT, right? We decompose this into 2 point. So this is W2 power 0, W2 power 1, W2 power 0, 2 power 1, W2 power 0, W2 power 1, and W2 power 0, W2 power 1, right? Similarly, so in this butterfly, we have W4 power 0, W4 power 2, here W4 power 1, W4 power 3. Same pattern repeats here. And in the third stage, we have W8 power 0 and W8 power 4, W8 power 1, W8 power 5, W8 power 2, W8 power 6, and W8 power 3, and W8 power 7. If I take one single butterfly, the basic butterfly diagram is something like this. A, B. If you pick any butterfly, so generally it looks like this. So we have W2 power 0, but generally I can write it as Wn power R, and this is Wn power R plus n by 2, right? And so what is the output from this line? So the output from this is what? A getting added with B times Wn power R. So it is A getting added with Wn power R times B, right? So what is the output from this line? So it is A getting added with Wn power R plus n by 2 times B. So in this case, what is the value of n? N is 2, right? So W2 power 0, so R is 0 here. W2 power 0 is what? W2 power 1. So generally it is R plus n by 2, right? So R is 0, 0 plus n by 2 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So we end up with 1. If you take this butterfly, this is in the form of Wn power R, and this is in the form of Wn power R plus n by 2, right? So 0 plus n is 4, this is a 4 point, so 4 by 2 is 2, so 0 plus 2 is 2. Similarly, if you take up this butterfly, you take any butterfly, so in this case n is 8, W8 power R is equal to W8 power 1 plus 4. So this is an 8 point, so 8 by 2 is 4, so 4 plus 1 is 5, right? So this is Wn power R, and corresponding to this leg, butterfly lower leg is Wn power R plus n by 2. Okay, so you pick any butterfly, it is of the form something like this. Now I can simplify this butterfly using a property called as Wn power R is equal to minus of Wn power R plus n by 2 is equal to minus of Wn power R. Okay, so we can prove it in a simple steps. So Wn power R plus n by 2 is equal to what? E power minus j 2 pi by n into R plus n by 2. So if I split this, e power minus j 2 pi by n into R into e power minus j 2 pi by n into n by 2. So n cancels out, 2 cancels out. So e power minus j pi is minus 1. So this is e power minus j 2 pi by n into R times minus 1. So this is nothing but what? Wn power R, and minus 1 I will take it here. So therefore I can write it as Wn power R plus n by 2 is equal to minus of Wn power R. So we call it as symmetry property of Twiddle factor. Okay, using this symmetry property of Twiddle factor, so I can simplify this butterfly as something like this. So A, B, so I have Wn power R here. So using symmetry property, I can write it as minus of Wn power R, right? Fine. Now here also I have Wn power R, here also I have Wn power R. So instead of having two Twiddle factors, what I'll do, I will take this Wn power r and I'll put it here, so that the same Wn power r goes here as well as goes here. Fine. So this can be again modified as, so I'll take this, I'll keep it here. So this is Wn power r, and here what I'll do, I'll multiply it by -1. So this Wn power r goes here, so I get the minus of Wn power r, and this Wn power r goes here, so this end up with Wn power r, right? So now this is a b, and what happens here, a plus Wn power r times b, here a minus Wn power r times b. Okay, so this is the simplified butterfly diagram using symmetry property of Twiddle factor. So what we'll do is, so we are going to replace every butterfly in the signal graph with this butterfly. Why? Because we showed that this butterfly is equal to this butterfly using symmetry property of Twiddle factor. Okay, so we end up with, so this will become W2 power 0, and this is -1, and this will become W2 power 0, and this is -1. So what happens here is, this W4 power 0 comes here, and I'll multiply here by -1. This is W4 power 0, this is -1. So what do we have here? So I have to write W8 power 0. So this W8 power 0 comes here, and I'll multiply here -1. So this is W8 power 0, and this is -1. This is -1, W8 power 1. So now, so instead of writing W2 power 0, I can write it as W8 power 0, right? Because anyhow this is 1, W2 power 0 is 1, so I can write it W8 power 0. So this is also I can write it as W8 power 0. This is also I can write it as W8 power 0. So this is also I can write it as W8 power 0, right? Now instead of writing W4 power 0, here I can write it as W8 power 0. So instead of writing W4 power 1, I can write it as W8 power 2. So I can show that easily. So W8 power 2 is equal to what? E power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 2. So this is 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. This is nothing but what? E power minus j 2 pi by 4. And what is this? E power W4 power 1, right? So I can write W4 power 1 as W8 power 2. So similarly here I can write W4 power 0 as W8 power 0, and this I can write as W8 power 2. Fine. So why I am doing this? Because I need everything in terms of 8. Since it's an 8 point, I need capital N everywhere in terms of 8. So I am replacing everything in terms of 8 here. So what is the input here? X of 0, X of 4, X of 3, X of 7, and this is output X of 0, X of 1. So this is the final flow graph of 8-point decimation in time fast Fourier transform algorithm.